Chevy Tahoe oil change.
Gee, look at all that leaking. Yeah. Yeah. Turn. Jesus. Yeah. Nice. So to figure out what the hell is leaking from? Oil pan? You see all the leak following all the way down to here. Who knows? Yeah. Yep. No. Whew. Let's give this a try. Yeah. Found myself a bend wrench. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? What? I'm so confused. Yeah. Oh, my coworker's talking to me. Come on. Come on, dude. Jesus. Hello? Why are you still not? What the fuck? Is it only these cherries? Just like this? Finally. Touching the frame, of course. Spin it off. Nice. Woo. Woo. Here's your new filter here. No plastic left in the... What? There's no plastic left in there, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.